Good morning and a very warm welcome to Ahmedabad. Delhi taking on Tamil Nadu in the IDFC First Bank Saeed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. And we are at the picturesque Narendra Modi Stadium here in Ahmedabad. You got the coin? Please spin it.
Heads.
Head is the call?
Yeah. Tail it is.
And it's a tail. नीतीश आप टॉस जीते हैं, पहले क्या करना चाहेंगे?
सर पहले बॉल डालना चाहेंगे.
Ranmesh Shrivastava says play the first ball of this match. Sathwik on strike. Straight away in the gap as well. Run straight away here. No half measures. Was uppish, but more importantly the gap. Once again just clipping it. Beautifully played as well. That dispatch with authority.
Oh, दिशा से भटके थे. Full toss.
Down the ground. Once again a full toss. Juicy full toss. Put away in style. Once again, that's going to be a boundary as well. Can't be bowling that line here. Down the pad line. Easy pickings for Sathwik.
Oh, जबरदस्त shot. पुल कर दिया हवा में और ग्राउंड के बाहर. 6 रन.
Got set in the gap as well. That's running away. Nicely played. Slightly short in length there.
Excellent shot there. You're rather surprised with this bowling change. Ayush Badoni, to be fair, just part-time off-spin. Another beautifully timed boundary there by Sathwik. He love this friendly off-spin.
लीजिए इस बार पूरे फ्लो में इस शॉट को खेलते हुए मैक्सिमम रन आते हुए यहां पे 6 रन.
And the onslaught continues.
एक बार फिर शॉट आर्म पुल और एक और चौका. चौकों की ही झड़ी लग गई है जब से सिमरजीत गेंदबाजी करने आए.
Oh, that's another one. How good are his hands to the ball. Brilliant. 10 gone, 97 for none. Oh, brilliant hit. Boy, he smacks a punch, doesn't he?
One. बहुत बढ़िया राणा जी.
Very good 50. Second in his SM80 career. I can assure you there are plenty more in the offering. Another very good T20 player in the offering. 11 gone, 107 for none.
अच्छा खिलाड़ियों को उपयोग. रन केवल एक ही मिलेगा. अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हुए प्रिंस यादव. विकेट गेंदबाजी करते. ज्यादा हाथ खोलने का मौका नहीं थे.
And with that he gets to 50. A very, very good inning. And that's the reason why the whole dugout is up on their feet. Biggie, is it big enough? Well, a couple of bounces.
हवा में और इसी के साथ पहले विकेट का पता. सात्विक आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए. तमिलनाडु ने पहला विकेट गवाया. शॉर्ट लेंथ बॉल थी. पुल करना चाहते थे. टॉप एज.
Sathwik, brilliant 54 of 40. Tamil Nadu lose their first for 115.
उठा के खेला है सीधा, बिल्कुल सीधा और तीखा. जबरदस्त प्रहार यहाँ पे.
This time steps out. Oh, wonderful clean striking by the left-handed Tushar. Once again a short ball, this time camping nicely on the back foot. Deep mid-wicket will have to just run and get that ball back. Sixer.
Catch it.
Oh, this time slightly loose from Tushar. Easily taken by Yashdul at deep mid-wicket. Disappointed the young man, but he's done his part. This time tries to chip it over mid-off, and this time Nitish Rana will do the honours. Easy catch taken there at extra cover.
मुस्कुरा रहे हैं आप, चेहरे में मुस्कान है. ये बड़ी विकेट. साई सुदर्शन की वापसी.
Oh, beautiful shot. Oh, that's a very soft dismissal.
शाहरुख खान 6 रन बना के आउट होते हुए 157 पे 4। जॉक कराने की कोशिश यहाँ पे, टाइमिंग इतनी बढ़िया थी नहीं, पर यहाँ पे बाउंड्री मिलेगी।
Up in the air, chance for a long on. Yeah, he will pouch it. Himmat at long on was guilty of not backing up, but this time he's taken a very good catch indeed.
सोनू 5 रन बना के पवेलियन लौटते हुए 166 पे 5।
Again, lack of timing. Oh, he's got it. For a while, Himmat thought he was in the game, but just an enough power.
अच्छा कनेक्शन करते हुए लीजिए, गैप में डाल दिया है।
Swatted. Huge. What a hit that is.
लीजिए, इस बार भी टाइमिंग बहुत ही खूब, पर यहाँ पे क्योंकि आपकी फील्ड ठीक जगह पे थी, प्लेयर ठीक जगह पे खड़ा किया और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने गेंद भी डाली तो विकेट भी मिल गया।
Delhi have made a bit of a comeback here. Whoa, Varun Chakravarti. This is the reason why I'm here. That's a massive one over square leg. Oh, that's over long on. Varun Chakravarti in a new avatar. We haven't seen this from him, have we? Yeah, he's gone for it. Understandable. Given it the kitchen sink. That's the time it is of the game.
198 तमिलनाडु ने बनाने हैं और यहाँ पे कोशिश होगी नीतीश राणा की और दिल्ली टीम की कि एक स्थिरता और एक मजबूत शुरुआत दें।
$199 in the allotted 20 overs. A required run rate of 9.95. Need their start here. They have a good batting lineup. Starting off with a slip in place. A ringer field is on the offside. All in readiness now for this run chase. Just Dole on strike. Right-hander. Nicely pulled as well. Good delivery. Shout as well from the keeper. That's played well. In the gap as well. That's running away. That's the first boundary coming for Delhi of the blade of Yash Dole. Edged. And that's going to be a 4. In the gap as well.
वही एरिया पर दोबारा यहाँ पर यशदुल प्रहार करते हुए खुद के लिए जगह बनाई।
Lovely shot. Risky shot as well in the gap. That's racing away. That's going to be a boundary of Priyansh Arya. That's in the air, but in the gap as well. That's racing away. Another boundary here for the left-hander. He's looking good at the moment, Priyansh Arya. Finishing this over in style. 4 overs done, 32 without loss.
इस बार पढ़ लिया था गेंदबाज को और किस तरीके से वो गेंद डालने वाले हैं। तेज गति की गेंद को सिर्फ दिशा दिखाई।
Oh, nicely hit over mid off for 4. He's dealing in boundaries, Priyanshu. He's a phenomenal player.
अपनी इस तरीके की बल्लेबाजी के कारण लीजिए, इस बार सीमा रेखा के पार लाजवाब स्ट्रोक।
That's nicely played. Another boundary. Runs are flowing. Oh, look at him. Oh, there he goes. That's a crucial wicket. He went for a big heave over a mid-off, sliced it.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक है ये, हालांकि दिखने में आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। ऐसा लग रहा है कि टेनिस वाला शॉट खेला है, पर खेला गैप में है और बाउंड्री भी लेते हुए।
Oh, it's up in the air, and a backspin.
Yeah, he's got enough. The pace was given by the bowler, and he's utilized the pace of the ball. They know each other well. Yeah, he was looking for the edge. That's exactly what he was looking for. He was aware that short third and point, he was looking for an edge. Maybe not that fine. Whoa, that's gone through. That'll go all the way. That will go all the way. With that comes the 100 of the Delhi innings. 11 overs gone. 101 for 1. Big hit. Yeah, this time he's got a given pace. Just erring in line, drifting onto the pads. And that's all Nitish Rana needs. The other way round. Here we go. You're hitting for 6. I'll get you back next ball. 100 T20 wickets for this outstanding bowler.
लीजिए नेले पे देला वहां पर साई किशोर द्वारा.
हवा में बढ़िया शॉट.
This time down the ground, it's Apesh, but it's gone the distance as well. Lovely strike, half century for Yash Dul. He's batted well. Coming in style, that half century with that maximum. 52 unbeaten of 36 deliveries, strike rate of 144. It's just growing all the time.
जबरदस्त शॉट. और एक और छक्का. जबरदस्त शॉट. 4 रन.
Oh, that's played well. Cheeky shot over the short fine fielder.
बेहतरीन शॉट. दिशा से भटके थे और कमाल का शॉट आयुष बधू ने.
50 partnership coming in very, very good time. 27 balls.
इस बार हवा में गेंद जरूर है. क्या फील्डर नीचे मौजूद? जी नहीं. सीमा रेखा के पार जाती हुई ये गेंद. लाजवाब स्ट्रोक यश दुल द्वारा.
Up in the air, chance for deep mid wicket. Yes, the short ball outside the off stump, and the timing, the ball, the bat face a little bit open.
71 रन की पारी खेल के यश दुल पेविलियन लौटते हुए.
I love super overs. Oh, it's gone over mid off. Beautiful, made room for risks taken. Gone. Dot ball it is. Tried to go over mid off. This is a massive wicket. Set batter. Dot ball. Which means it'll be 12 of 6. Whoa! Gurjapneet can't believe it. He's down on his haunches. He's bowled a perfect Yorker. Single, no, 2. Is there a run out? Yeah, probably is. Probably is. He had to go for it though.
वहां पे लगी है, पर यहाँ पे वो जो शॉर्ट रन है वो भी होता हुआ कोई रन नहीं माना जाएगा, क्योंकि हिम्मत सिंह उस रन को भी कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए. पर ये देखना है कि क्या उनका बल्ला अंदर आ गया था, और बार बार देखना बेहतर होगा, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा मोड़ है कि जहाँ पे आप डिसीजन सही देना चाहते हैं. आप नहीं चाहेंगे कि टेक्नोलॉजी के होते हुए भी आप कोई गलत डिसीजन दे दें.
Yeah, I understand where this is coming from. Because when you go from one frame where he's out and the next frame, he's just in before the bail comes. And in between is whatever happened. But in that, there will be 1 run short. Last ball, 2 to win. Go over us. Whoa! It's gone over point. What a hit that is. Full toss outside off stump. Slice. Over sweeper cover. Was there a chance for him? I think he got a hand to it, but boy, relief here for skipper Nitish Rana.
जी हाँ, गुरजपनीत काफी तनाव में दिख रहे थे, और ये कैच अगर पकड़ा जाता तो यहाँ पे ये मैच तमिलनाडु के पास जा सकता था. आखिरी समय तक गेंद पे निगाहें जरूर थी, पर गिरते समय बॉल हाथ से निकल के बाउंड्री के बाहर जा गिरी, और यहाँ पे जीत दिल्ली की होती हुई. कमाल का गेम होता हुआ यहाँ पे दिल्ली ने ये मैच जीता है 6 विकेटों से. तमिलनाडु जानती है कि कितना ज़रूरी था आखिरी समय पे अपने आप को इस मैच के अंदर बनाए रखना. नितिश राणा टीम के कप्तान. पहली जीत.
In 20 overs, Delhi 203 for 4, winning in the last ball of the game by 6 wickets and getting their first points in this.